Well, we just had our picnic lunch over there underneath of the pavilion, which was very nice. And we're next to a little stream down there. If you can see the water, and there's all these trees here that I thought were olive trees, and we looked it up and they are Russian olive trees. Look, there's one here, there, all along the creek. All Russian olive trees, so they get the water from down there. Alright, I think I'm in Utah. Still the 8th of June, 2021. Well, I'm right next to the creek here. Got a little closer. I hear some kids up there, so I think I see them way up there. There might be easier ways to get down to the creek, but this is as far as I can go right here, because I have to go back up here.
Time period, and that's what creates those different layers. What water drops things in then creates that layer accordingly.
Have you heard that
Is each layer a different millennia?
So it's a range. So it could be 100 to 200 million years ago, or there's a like a 40 to 60. So it's not a full like a full what's the word? Not a steady amount of time.
Yeah.
It just those.
This same scenic overlook. We got the vans right in back of us here. Pretty nice view. This is Bryce Canyon.